Banday ko mo. Sige. Ito, ngayong araw ng Sabado, Petsa 29, 16-1-2-5. 15 to 30 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Bukas Linggo, Petsa 30. 15 to 35 na este, 4 feet. Petsa 1, Lunes, 15 to 32 na east, southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 2, Martes, 15 to 33 na southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 3, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 4, Huwebes, 15 to 34 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 5, Biyernes, 15 to 36 na southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 6, ganoon din, 15 to 36 na southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 7, Linggo, 18 to 38 na southeast, 4 feet. At Petsa 8, Lunes, 10 to 28 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet na lang din. Ako kaya hindi kong bagay. Go, 5 po. Sige, magandang bagay. Ingat. 15-1-2-5 ngayong araw ng Sabado, Petsa 29, 15 to 36 na east-northeast, 4 feet. Bukas, Linggo, Petsa 30, 15 to 34 na este, 4 feet. Petsa 1, Lunes, 15 to 38 na east-southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 2, Martes, 15 to 35 na southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 3, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 4, Huwebes, 15 to 31 na east-northeast, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 5, Biyernes, 15 to 34 na east-southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 6, Sabado, 15 to 32 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 7, Linggo, 17 to 37 na southeast, 4 feet. At Petsa 8, Lunes, 10 to 27 na southeast, 3 feet na lang din may mong B3 po yan. Roger lang naman. Ingat. Ito, amigo Joyard, 15-1-2-3 ngayong araw ng Sabado, Petsa 29, 20 to 40 na east-northeast, 3 to 4 feet. Yung 40 niya, alas 8 hanggang alas 10 lang naman. Bukas, Petsa 30, Linggo, 15 to 32 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 1, Lunes, 15 to 32 na east-southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 2, Martes, 15 to 32 na southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 3, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na este, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 4, Huwebes, 10 to 28 na east-northeast, 3 feet. Petsa 5, Biyernes, 10 to 26 na este, 3 feet. Petsa 6, Sabado, 15 to 33 na east-southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 7, Linggo, 10 to 28 na southeast, 3 feet. At Petsa 8, Lunes, 15 to 30 na southeast, 3 feet pa rin yung Joyard na sa 15-1-2-3 ito. Yan. Kupay, wala naman magandang maganda. Ito, 09-1-2-9, yung araw ng Sabado, Petsa 29, 15 to 31 na este, 4 feet. Petsa 30, Linggo, bukas, 10 to 28 na southeast, 4 feet. Petsa 1, Lunes, 10 to 21 na southwest sa umaga, mag-southeast sa hapon na 3 feet. Pitsa 2, Martes, 10 to 23 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 3, Miyerkules, 10 to 20 na east-northeast 3 feet. Pitsa 4, Huwebes, 10 to 21 na southwest kabagat na 3 feet. Pitsa 5, Biyernes, 10 to 24 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 6, Sabado, 10 to 21 na southwest sa umaga, mag-southeast sa hapon na 3 feet. Pitsa 7, Linggo, 10 to 20 na southeast 2 feet. At pitsa 8, Lunes, 10 to 20 na southwest 2 to 3 feet. Nakopya ko dito sa 09129. Bupay, magandang magay. Ito na amigong kanto, 12.26, ngayong araw ng Sabado, pitsa 29, 15 to 13 na northeast 4 feet. Bukas, Linggo, pitsa 30, 15 to 32 na este 4 feet. Pitsa 1, Lunes, 15 to 34 na east-southeast 4 feet. Pitsa 2, Martes, 10 to 26 na southeast 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 3, Miyerkules, 10 to 27 na east-southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 4, Huwebes, 10 to 23 na este 3 feet. Pitsa 5, Biyernes, 10 to 27 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 6, Sabado, 10 to 24 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 7, Linggo, 15 to 30 na southeast 3 feet. At pitsa 8, Lunes, 10 to 25 na southeast 3 feet pa rin yung card nito sa 12.126. Wala naman ko, magkano ingat-ingat. Ito, may kong saan ko, bantay. Sige. May araw ng Sabado, pitsa 29 dyan sa 13.125, 15 to 34 na east-northeast 4 feet. Bukas, Linggo, pitsa 30, 15 to 36 na este 4 feet. Pitsa 1, Lunes, 15 to 32 na east-southeast 4 feet. Pitsa 2, Martes, 15 to 30 na southeast 4 feet. Pitsa 3, Miyerkules, 15 to 31 na east-southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 4, Huwebes, 15 to 32 na east-northeast 3 feet. Pitsa 5, Biyernes, 15 to 30 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 6, Sabado, 15 to 30 na southeast 3 feet. Pitsa 7, Linggo, 10 to 28 na southeast 3 feet. At pitsa 8, Lunes, 10 to 26 na southeast 3 feet pa rin yung sando ko niya sa 13.125. Wala na rin ko. Magaling magaling.